In this video, we are going to solve a problem on assigning RS an easy configuration for a chiral molecule. This is a given compound. There is a chiral center here. This is basically chiral alcohol, and there is unsaturation. So there is olefin. Now, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? If you see this part, it is same for all four options. I misshaped here. So this part is same for all four options. Only difference is in the R and Z. So whether this chiral carbon, is it R configuration or S configuration, and this olefin, whether it is E olefin or Z olefin. First, let us go for the olefin. These are the four substituents. There are 2 hydrogens and 2 alkyl. If you go for priority, this will get higher priority. This will be the second one. Similarly, this will be higher. This will be the second one. Now, the highest priority, they are just trans. When it is trans, the nomenclature whatever we follow is E. So basically it is E olefin. So this 2 I can cancel, because here they have mentioned Z olefin. It is not Z olefin. If it is Z olefin, then the compound should be something like this. So here 1, 2, 1, 2. The higher priority, they are in the same direction. Lower priority, they are in the same direction. So that will be Z. The problem, they are given E geometrical isomer. Now, what about the configuration of this chiral carbon? For that, we have to go for giving priority. I write that here. After that, I have something like this. Now, the fourth one is not there. I mentioned that also. Generally, if it is not mentioned anything, that means that is hydrogen. That hydrogen, it should be thick line. Because OH is thin line, the hydrogen should be thick line. Now, I write all the substituents. First one, CH3. Second one, hydrogen. Third one, OH. Fourth one. Now, in this first atom is carbon. Here hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. If you compare this, oxygen has higher atomic number and mass number compared to carbon and hydrogen. So I have to give the first priority for OH. So this will get higher priority. Generally hydrogen get the least priority. So I give hydrogen priority number 4. Now we have CH3 and this alkene. It is obvious this group should get higher priority, that is 2, and this should get 3. So if you give that this 2 and this is 3. Now, the least priority, it is facing towards us. It is thick line. You have to view the molecule from the bottom. That is the opposite side of this paper. If you view the molecule from the bottom, you will get OH on the top and CH3, it will be towards your right, and the alkene or the long chain will be towards your left. The priority already we have seen 1, 2 and 3. You can see here it is anti-clock direction. So this is S configuration. Simply you can view from the top itself, that is 1, 2, 3. Now whatever we get is R. Since the least priority is on the top, it is facing towards us. In such a case, you have to just invert the configuration. Here if you get R, you have to convert that into S, just the opposite one. So basically it is 2S and 3E configuration.